Okay, let's talk about it. Finding a therapist can feel like this huge, monumental task, right? But it absolutely doesn't have to be. In this explainer, we're going to break the whole thing down into clear, easy steps to help you find the right support for your own personal journey. And it's true. The search can feel so overwhelming. You've got all these websites, all these different acronyms and approaches. It's a lot. Our goal today is just to give you a really clear guide, something that cuts through all that noise and helps you find the support that is genuinely right for you. So, first things first, let's set the foundation. Honestly, just understanding what therapy actually is, that's the best possible place to start your search. Yeah, a really key thing to get is that therapy isn't some passive thing where you just show up. It's an active partnership. It's a collaboration between you and a clinician. The whole point is to explore challenges and build new, healthy coping skills, all inside a space that is totally safe and confidential.
Okay, with that foundation in place, the next step actually begins with you. Before you even look at a single name or website, a really successful search starts with a little bit of self-reflection to figure out your goals.
Taking just a minute to ask yourself these questions is like creating a map for your search. So first, what specific challenges are bringing you to this point right now? Is it anxiety, grief, maybe a big life transition? Next, if you've been to therapy before, think about what worked for you and maybe what really didn't. And you got to remember the practical stuff. What are your needs when it comes to scheduling? Answering these helps you nail down your why and your how, and that makes your search so much more focused.
Once you've got your why, you can really start the search. But you have to remember, finding the right fit is about so much more than just finding someone nearby. That personal connection, what we call the therapeutic relationship, that is what really, really matters.
All right, this is a big point of confusion for so many people, so let's clear it up. A therapist's main tool is talk therapy, helping you explore your thoughts and behaviors. A psychiatrist, on the other hand, is a medical doctor, an MD, who can prescribe medication. And you know, it's not always an either-or thing. A lot of people actually find it incredibly helpful to see both.
So you're going to see this alphabet soup of letters after a therapist's name, like LCSW or PsyD. And while their specialties might differ a little, here's the important takeaway. All of these credentials mean that person has an advanced degree and has completed thousands of hours of supervised clinical work. It's your assurance that you're getting ethical and effective care. You also get to choose where you get your care. A private practice might give you that really specialized one-on-one talk therapy. A multidisciplinary clinic, though, is more like a one-stop shop. You'll find therapists, psychiatrists, and other professionals all under one roof, which is great for more integrated, holistic care. Look, if you only take one thing away from this section, please let it be this. The research is crystal clear. This therapeutic alliance, this connection, is the single most important factor in whether therapy is successful. It's inside that relationship of trust and safety that the real work happens. That feeling of being heard, respected, and safe, that's the engine for real change.
All right, now for the home stretch, the practical steps. You've done your research, you've got a few potential names. So what's next? Let's walk through how to actually prepare for that first session.
Just think of this as your pre-flight checklist. First, get the practical stuff out of the way, like insurance. Second, have your personal goals, your why, ready to talk about. And third, know that the intake is just an information gathering session. It's for both of you to get to know each other. There is absolutely no pressure.
Okay, this is so important. You have to slip the script in your mind. That first session isn't just about them figuring you out. It is your chance to interview them. Do you vibe with their communication style? Does their approach make sense to you? You have to remember you are in the driver's seat of your own care.
So, let's talk about your path forward. Because taking these steps, it's not just about finding a therapist. It's really about embracing this whole journey of growth and well-being. And I mean this seriously. Just the act of looking for this information, of even starting the search, that is a sign of incredible strength. It's a proactive, courageous step you're taking for yourself, and that right there, that alone, sets the foundation for really meaningful and lasting change.
You've already taken the first and maybe the hardest step just by watching this and learning. The only question left is, what's your next one going to be?